Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing as well as can be. Let me just apologise quickly for the mess in the background. I've got giveaway prizes piling up over here, so it's quite messy. Just ignore it if you can. Thanks. Today we've got our final monthly favourites video of the year before our obviously 2020 favourites roundup video, which I think is going to be quite the video. Like, mate, I don't know what I'm going to talk about in that video. Like, there is just so much to say, but there are no words. Do you know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie, there hasn't been many products this month. I feel like my most recent favourites video was quite recent and I've still really been enjoying the products I talked about in that video. I've got like 2 products to talk about with you guys today, but I do have a very exciting Project 10 Pan update, which I know is why a lot of you are here. I mean, Project 10 Pan is such an endeavour that I really underestimated how passionate I would be about. It's ridiculous how much I care. Let's talk about my favourite products. We got some TV, we got some music, and then I will talk about Project 10 Pan. The first product is actually a hair product. I don't often talk about hair products because I'm quite samey with my hair. I stick to my guns. And this is a product that I used to really love and I ran out of. I've used an entire one of these up. My dad dropped around a big box of stuff that's still at his house. Yes, I'm still technically moving into this house because there is still junk at my dad's house. He dropped over a box. This was inside it and I got very excited. It's the Way Matte Pomade. So naturally I've got very soft hair. It's very fine, it's thick, but the hairs are fine. Soft, slippery, like just quite hard to manage if you want anything other than just straight up and down. But I love like a grungy, texturized, messy hair. So I love texturizing sprays and kind of light hold hair sprays to give it a bit of grit, especially when my hair is shorter. When I have longer hair, I like it to be a little bit silkier, but when it's shorter, I like it to have that texture. I've had short hair in the past and I used to use this all the time. It's a matte texturizing paste basically, so you barely need to use any. As you can see, it barely looks like I've used it. I just put some in the palm of my hand, warm it up, rub it together, and then just like scrunch it into my hair. And I used it today on these curls and it's just given it this amazing like piecey scruffy texture, but also hold, but it still feels quite soft. It still feels manageable, but it just looks super grungy and cool. I like the matte look because I like my hair to look kind of matte. Way is one of my favorite hair care brands. I've used their products for years and this one is an oldie but a goldie and I really recommend it if you're into kind of piecey hair, whether your hair's long, whether it's short. I also put it in my fringe today and I feel like it's made it look almost greasy, which I like. I don't like it so much when it's really smooth. I like it to be a bit piecey like this, and this did the job. So yeah, really pleased I have this back in my life. And then the other beauty favorite this month, I have talked about already on my channel because I basically did a whole review of it in last week's vlog. My last weekly vlog before Vlogmas. The Coco and Eve Sunny Honey Barley Bronzing Foam in the shade Dark. So I filmed me applying this, I filmed it developing. So if you'd like to see that, make sure you check out vlog week, like the last weekly vlog on my channel basically, because I talk about it a little bit more in depth. But this is still the same application and I applied that on, let me see what day I put this on because I have to check back on my own vlog because I have no idea. Weekly vlog 49 it is, Wednesday. I am very impressed then. Okay, so tomorrow I will have had this fake tan on for a whole week. My inner elbow, there is no fading on the inside of my elbow. This is where it goes for me the most. There's no patchiness. Honestly, I can't believe it's been a whole week. This literally looks like I applied it like a day or 2 ago. My hands are still the same color, maybe a tiny bit lighter than my body, because obviously we have to wash our hands a lot at the moment. I'm so impressed. It smells like mango, which is lovely, and it's such a gorgeous shade of fake tan. It's a lovely warm olive. It goes quite dark, which I personally really like. I really like this fake tan, and I'll definitely be continuing to use it, especially now I know how well it lasts. So there we go, that's a full review roundup. It's lasted me a week so far and it still looks pretty killer. I'm really impressed. I'm really impressed. That's literally all of my beauty favorites. Is it? I feel like it really is. Okay, this other one you guys know about a lot and I feel like I don't need to talk about it, but I do need to talk about it. If you've been with me for a while, this is no stranger to you. This is the By Terry Cellular Rose Brightening CC Serum in the shade Sunny Flash, and this is probably in my top 5 favorite products of all time. So this is a serum that has an amazing bronzy, glowy tint to it. It doesn't really add coverage, but it just completely evens out your skin tone. It's so hydrating. It looks incredible under makeup, but I also wear it if I'm having a good skin day on its own. It makes you look bronzed and glowy, and if you fake tanned and it's starting to wear off and your face is a little bit paler than your body, this is an amazing way to kind of patchwork quilt yourself up a little bit and make your face match your body so that you don't have to fake tan your face again. It's honestly a 10 out of 10 product, and I haven't had this for a few months because of obviously Project Hempan, and I thought I'd run out, and then I found a backup in my drawer, so it is back in my life and I've been using it every day. And honestly, like, my skin today is just bronzed, glowing. I think it's the best my skin has looked in ages, and I think it's all because this is back in my life. If you've never tried this before, put it on your Christmas list. Now is the time to ask for it for Christmas because it is expensive and I don't want to know how much money I've spent on this product in my life. I don't want to know, but I just love it so much, and it's one of those little luxuries that I will always treat myself to because you're worth it, baby. I said it. The final kind of tangible thing that I have to show you, again, will be no surprise because I talked about them in my last vlog, but these are 2 flavors of the limited edition Tea Pigs Christmas teas. You know I'm a massive tea fan. I brought out my own range of mugs, for goodness sake. I love tea. Tea Pigs had a Zoom event the other night and it was a tea tasting class, and it was really interesting and really fun, and I got to try so many new teas, and these were my favorites. Gluhwein? I think someone told me it was Gluhwein. The Gluhwein tea and the spiced Pear tea. They are both very spicy. This one literally has like chili in it. It like hits the back of your throat like spice. It's amazing. But it's also really sweet. Like the front of your mouth is like sweet pear and the back is like hot chili, and it's such a lovely contrast. It is absolutely delicious. The Gluhwein tea is like a mulled wine. It tastes like mulled wine to me. So if you're somebody who likes their mulled wine but wants to be able to drink it at 6 o'clock in the morning, delicious, honestly. If you're looking for some stocking fillers maybe for somebody, or if you just want to try them yourself, definitely pick these up. Okay, on to non-tangible but things I can talk to you about, favorites. The first one is what we've been watching on TV. We are currently watching His Dark Materials, which is based on a book. You might remember last year I tried to read the Book of Dust, which is the prequel to these. So I'm gonna watch this and then I might try the Book of Dust again, or I might actually try and read the series because I'm really enjoying it. It's like a slightly more adult Harry Potter. It's like about people and their animal sidekick that is kind of connected. They kind of represent their soul. That's why it makes me think of Harry Potter, because what's the name of your Patronus? It's quite dark. It started a little bit kind of cheesy for me, and then it started to get a little bit grittier, and now it's quite dark, and Tim and I are really enjoying it. We've been watching it every single night, and it's got an amazing cast. I didn't realize how good the cast was, so yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Definitely check it out. It's on BBC. A YouTube channel that I've been obsessed with is Cupcake Gemma. It's a YouTube channel that's started by the owner of Crumbs and Doilies in Soho, which is a bakery. And she's currently on maternity leave, and it's been taken over by Sally and Dane, who are 2 people who work at the bakery. And they basically just do like baking videos, baking tutorials, and they are so wholesome and the food looks so amazing. And I'm gonna make one of their recipes for my birthday because it's my birthday on Monday. I'm gonna be 24. So I'm gonna make myself their birthday cake New York cookies. So you'll see me making them. I'm gonna do like a bake with me video, I think. So I look forward to that. I just love their channel. I love it. So I'll link that down below. It's really great. And music wise, Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus's new album is killer. I love all of her stripped back versions as well on YouTube. If you've never watched like Miley Cyrus acoustic covers or live recordings, you need to start watching them, because I actually think that once you can watch her perform live, it's so much better than her album. She is honestly, in my opinion, Miley Cyrus is one of the voices of our generation. I think she's amazing and she's evolved so much over the past 10 years. It's unbelievable. I just think she could do anything and still be amazing. Like, I absolutely love Miley Cyrus. Yeah, if you've not listened to her new album, I couldn't recommend it enough. 10 out of 10. Oh, another favorite, beauty favorite is my nails. I am so shocked. So I got these done a month ago. Like, yeah, of course they've grown in, but they are all intact and they still look pretty much perfect. Like, from a distance, they look great, right? Like, they don't even look that grown out. I'm so impressed. I'm getting them done tomorrow because tomorrow is the end of the English lockdown. We're going into tier 2 where we live. Not much is changing except I'm allowed 6 people in my garden. No, I'm allowed 5 other people in my garden. I am allowed to go get my nails done and I am allowed to go to the gym. So I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow. I'm obsessed with my nails and I'm genuinely tempted to get the same again. Nah, I'm gonna get something Christmassy. I'm gonna get something Christmassy. So those are my favorites. Really not that many. My next favorites video is gonna be 2020, so it's gonna be a big video, lots of products. Sorry, not very many loves this month, I'm afraid. But when it comes to Project 10 pan, let me just grab my empties. I've got 2.5 empties this month. 2.5. The Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is completely empty. I used the last pump of this in the vlog, like on camera. It's empty, it's gone, it's finished. I'm so happy. I can start using other primers, which I can't wait. I finished my Hula Bronzer this morning. So I posted on my Instagram like, guys, is this empty? Because there was a little like nugget right in one of the corners, and then someone was like, just use an eyeshadow brush, and I was like, fine, I'll just blend out my eyeshadow with it. It'll probably take a few more days. And I put my eyeshadow brush on it and it just crumbled out of the pan, and I was like, it's done. I'm not gonna pick that up off the floor. I have finally finished Hula. This is one of the original 10. Yes. That's 2 that need replacing. And when I say half, this puppy, I think I said that this was empty when I have finished up these 2 entirely and hit pan on this, which is a really, really bold statement, but I'm gonna keep going, keep trying. I finished one of them. The bronzer is completely flat. It is empty, so I finally finished the bronzer. The powder, I reckon, I need to go to bed. The powder, as I was saying, I think will be finished next month. Very exciting. Yeah, the blush, we got a long time, but this isn't one of the original 10. I don't know whether I'll ever actually finish this blush before Project 10 pan ends, but I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna keep trying. When this is done, we are nearly there. So that's very exciting. The one that I thought I would finish but failed to finish is my MAC powder. You can see there is a big chunk missing, but this bit just, it just refuses. It refuses to disappear. I'm gonna keep going, like always. I'm gonna keep trying. I just watched back my like original, I'm doing Project 10 pan video. Guys, I didn't realize how well we've done. We only have 3 left. I thought, okay. We've got the Dior Face and Body Foundation, the Bobbi Brown Natural Bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow. So these are the 3 original Project 10 pans that are left. And when these 3 are empty, project 10 pan ends. If you don't know how it works, every time I finish one of the original 10, I replace it with another product, and then when I finish that product, I replace it. But then when the original 10 are empty, it stops. There's constantly 10 products that I'm trying to use up because I'm just trying to get through my excessively large makeup collection. So those are the 3 that are from the original, but the other products that I'm trying to use up, the NARS Loaded palette. The goal is to complete 3 and hit pan on 2. We're not doing too well with this one, but I've been wearing the eyeshadows. I'm wearing the eyeshadows from this palette today. I literally wear them every day. They're just not going anywhere. Like I said, the MAC powder. See, I thought that Becca Opal was one of the originals, and I was really worried there. I was like, I'm never gonna use this up, and I'm never gonna be able to finish my Project 10 pan. But this was a new addition, and I'm actually starting to make my way through it. My Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel is really getting there. I feel like I say that every month. But it's starting to go down. It's starting to go down. And then, like I said, this one. Now that these 2 are empty, I need to pick 2 products that I want to use up. So what I'm not going to do is choose a blush, a bronzer, or a highlighter, because that is shooting myself in the foot, as we've learned. I think a concealer, because this is nearly empty. This is the Nabla Close Up Stay Full Smooth Concealer in Cream Beige. This has been my go-to concealer recently. Did I talk about it in a recent favorites video? Probably. So this is the newest addition to my Project 10 pan. I'm gonna bring back an old fave. I'm gonna use up this Too Faced Hangover Primer, which I used to love, and then I just stopped using it. These are the latest additions to my Project 10 pan. Nabla and Hangover Primer, and that's that. I actually really liked setting myself my little challenge to complete a certain number by next month. So I'm gonna do that again this month, and I am going to select 2 products that I would like to have used up. I think we all know this one needs to go. So I'm hopefully gonna have used, it's a very obnoxious motorbike. Hopefully, rude. Hopefully this bad boy will be used up by next month, as well as this one. Wow, things are fighting back. So I think those are my 2 goals. And I'd also like to hit pan on this eyeshadow, please. I'd like to hit pan on that. Those are 3 mini achievable goals that I've set myself. So we will see how they go. We will see. I'm gonna try my best. But I'm really happy that I've got 2 more products out of my 10 pan, especially an original 10. That's a big move. So lame. Honestly, it is so lame how excited I get about Project 10 pan. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry there weren't many favorites. I just haven't really been trying many new things this month because we've been in a month-long lockdown. I've not really been playing with makeup that much. But I hope you enjoyed this video anyway. And if you haven't yet, please do make sure that you subscribe. And I really hope that you're enjoying Vlogmish at the moment. To be fair, I think you've only actually seen one Vlogmish video so far, so I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you leave a comment down below, let me know what your favorite product of the month has been, or your favorite song, your favorite film, your favorite YouTuber. Spread some love, let me know down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow for the next Vlogmish. Lots of love, bye.